Hi everyone. In this lesson, we will start learning Chinese Pinyin. Pinyin consists of initial, finals, and tones. There are 23 initial grouped by their pronunciation positions and 36 finals, including 6 basic vowels. We will first get to know the 6 basic vowels and 8 initial today. What you see here are the 6 basic vowels. I will pronounce each basic vowels twice, and please follow me to do the practice. A, A, O, O, I, U, U, Y, Y. What you see here, the red characters above are the initial, and below are the combinations of the initials and the basic vowels forming Pinyin. I will first pronounce the initial, then demonstrate how to pronounce out the Pinyin, followed by pronouncing the Pinyin for twice. Please follow me to do the practice. B, B, A, Ba, Ba, B, B, O, Bo, Bo, B, B, I, B, 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 U, Bu, Bu. So once again, the red one is the initial, and then the yellow ones from the left to right. Ba, Bo, Bi, Bu, Pu, Pu, A, Pa, Pa, Pu, Pu, O, Po, Po, Pu, Pu, I, P, P, Pu, Pu, U, Pu, Pu. So once again, the red one is the initial, and the yellow ones from the left to right. Pa, Po, Pi, Pu, M, M, A, Ma, Ma, M, M, O, Mo, Mo, M, M, E, M, 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 I, Mi, Mi, M, M, U, Mu, Mu. So from left to right, Ma, Mo, Me, Mi, Mu, Fu, Fu, A, Fa, Fa, Fu, Fu, O, Fo, 父夫夫夫. So from left to right, fa phô phu tự tự a ta ta tự tự ư tơ tơ tự tự y ti ti tự tự u tu tu ta tơ ti tu thực thực a tha tha thực thực ư thơ thơ thực thực y thi thi thực thực u thu thu tha thơ thi thu n n a na na n n ơ nơ nơ n n y ni ni n n u nu nu n n y như như na nơ ni nu như l l a la la l l ơ lơ lơ l l y ly ly l l u lu lu l l y lü lü la lơ li lu lü. Now we will read several groups of vocabulary weighted with tones. The same, I will read each word for twice. Please read along with me. Mama, mama. So here you will see the letter 1 with no tone. So this is the neutral tone. We pronounce very slightly. Once again, mama. Lý, lý. Ní ba, ní ba.魔力，魔力。模特，模特。独立，独立。比，比。米，米。女， 女，马路，马路，努力，努力，哪里，哪里。So here you will see there are two third tone characters arranged together. So the sound change is the first ones will be changed from the third tones into the second tone. So originally it's na, but now become na. So the pronunciation will be 哪里，哪里。爸爸，爸爸，弟弟，弟弟，地图，地图。So here again the neutral tone, 爸，弟。All right, let's summarize it. In this lesson, we have learned 6 basic vowels and 8 initials. And the homework is to transcribe the pinyins of the vocabularies we just learned. And the purpose is to get yourself familiar with the structure of pinyins while doing the writings. And I hope you can practice the pronunciation when you are doing the writing. So see you in the next lesson. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you and see you!